Okay, so we're going to just have a wee chat through this, because I know it's quite complicated looking. Multiplying numbers, add the powers. So that's 2 to the 10. Multiplying numbers, you add the powers. So that's 3 to the 11. Dividing numbers, subtract the powers. 3 to the 3. Multiplying, so you add the 3 and the 4. Power to power, you times it. Power to power, you times it. That means dividing. So you subtract them. 6 take away 2. Again dividing. 7 take away 2. Question 2. Multiplying, add them. Dividing, subtract them. Power to power means times. Multiplying, you add them. 6 add 4. Power to power, times them. You're dividing. So you subtract them. 16 take away 7 is 9. I want to have a wee look at your handing in homework. Just to make sure you're okay with this. If you can remember the basic rules, multiplying means add the indices. Dividing means subtract the indices. And if you have a power to a power or an index to an index, power and index means the same things. You multiply the indices. So let's see if we can work our way through this. So you will write, that's a multiplying, so you will add them. So you'll write 4 to the 14. You will subtract here because it's a division, so it'll be 7 to the 7. Power to power means multiply, so you'll write that as 13 to the 56. Down here, because you're writing as a single power there. Up here you've got to work it out. So that is 2 to the 6. And then use your calculator. That wee power button I showed you. So 2 to the power 6. You're multiplying, so you add them. So 2 to the 5, and just use your power button. Do you see when you come to this one? It's a special one, because there is no rule for adding. Your rules are only for multiplying, dividing, or power to power. So this one you must work out separately. So 2 squared, add 2 cubed, and then work out your answer. This one here, multiplying, so you can add them. 2 to the 6, and use your calculator. Multiplying, so add them as the same question. 2 to the 6, then work it out. Now this one here is different again. So it's 32 divided by, work that out as 8, and then put your answer in. This one's back to normal, so you're dividing. Subtract the powers, so 2 to the 3, then work it out. This one here is 2 to the 5 divided by 2 to the 5. So subtract them. 5 take away 5 is 0. Now if you put that into your calculator, 2 to the power 0, and see what you get out. It should be 1. Now it says, which of these are the odd one out? Write that as 7 to the 11. That's adding as well, 7 to the 11. That one is 7 to the 11. That one, could you work that out in your calculators, please? Or actually, maybe I'll just show you this one. 49 is 7 squared, so you're subtracting them, 7 to the 9. And this one here is 7 to the 11 over 7 to the 1. So that's 7 to the 11 divided by 7 to the 1. Subtract them, 7 to the 10. A bit of a strange one there as well. Just see how you go on with those. This one here is 5 to the 6. This one here, you're adding the indices, so it's 5 to the 5. This one is nothing special, so you have to work it out. This one here is 5 to the 6. This one here, nothing special because it's an adding one, so you need to work it out. This one here, subtract them, so that's 5 to the 5. And this one here, subtract them, 5 to the 5. So just see how you get on with that wee exercise, and if you photograph it and then upload it for me, that would be super. Thank you.